There are many different ways to filter on the dashboard. On the side of each of the tabs is a filter panel. Please note that this filter panel may have different filter options to choose from on each of the detailed tabs. You can open or close this panel by clicking on the double arrow found on the top corner. Each of the filterable tabs have different filters, including the following: care group, department, service, employee name, supervisor, staff group, job role, age group, gender, and others. To use the filters, expand or close the filter that you want, and then select the options that you need to filter down to. When you have added your filter or filters, you'll be able to export and/or use the visuals, charts, and tables found. When you have finished filtering, clear the filters to their original settings by selecting all. This will return all of the filters back to normal. Also note that any filters applied to the detail tabs do not carry over to the other tabs, as they are all individual datasets. By using one of the visuals, simply click on and all of the others will adapt. And click off, it will go back to normal. It has been filtered, simply use the little filter icon at the top of the visual. You can filter on tabs like this using the drop-down menus, and the data will populate on the dashboard. To remove any filters on the dashboard, simply click on the little eraser